Hi Sachin, how are you?
I'm fine. Just to start today, can we know about ourselves, a bit about you also? Like what about you? What you're working till now? What's your experience? So that I, hello?
One second, Sachin.
Okay.
Ashok?
Sachin, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear.
Yeah. Hi, Ashok.
Yeah, I'm just asking which part are you from
So
India?
today it's basically a main introduction of the main stack, why it is, what about the main stack. Those things will be there.
Mm-hmm,
Okay.
mm-hmm.
So, can we know a bit about experience your and I'll explain mine also.
Yeah, first of all, I just want to know which part are you from India?
Okay, okay. Sorry, I thought which part of it. I'm from Delhi.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, so actually I'm a Oracle Apps architect right now, working in
Okay,
this ERP from past 10 years. Okay.
okay.
Now
Mm-hmm.
we got a technology to implement this Angular JS, MongoDB and everything.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like we call it a mean stack. Like
Okay,
so just trying to learn before we start a project so we can architect nicely.
okay, okay.
Mhm.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay, I'll explain myself right now. Currently, I am a tech lead come architect right now,
Mhm.
working on heavily on right now JavaScript based technologies specifically.
Mhm.
Though I have a varied experience of working in Java plus yeah, RDBMS, now NoSQL plus modern day web architectures. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
so I have quite an experience working with such a technology of JavaScript. The basic of each and everything is JavaScript. Okay,
Mhm.
so I'll I'll tell you how I'm going through about it. So you told me about yourself that you wanted like because it's an initial project for you and you want to develop a basically mean stack based web project, right?
Yeah, we already done one mobile project in iPhone, but this one we are trying to we are trying to see how good the UI will be. Like we have different technologies like ADF, Web Center, and everything, but we want to
Okay, okay.
explore on this one also to see how it is. Because it's all like component driven frameworks. This one and
Yeah,
everything of
yeah, modular structure.
yeah.
Okay. So one thing I'll tell you about mean stack. Basically, it is a terminology. Okay,
Mhm.
and people have basically developed their own seeds which you can use yourself. Those are called mean stacks. It's very popular right now.
Mhm.
Okay, going further, so the agenda will be like there will be more. I'll discuss bit about modern JavaScript web frameworks, what they are, because you recently just now mentioned like you want to know Angular because it's a has component driven architectures. Okay, then why we need a new type of web application architecture, then basic about JavaScripts, and I'll explain what mean stack is. Okay,
Mhm.
so currently there are number of JavaScript web frameworks available in market. Okay,
Mhm.
uh, few of them are few of the most popular are listed here. Okay, the most popular right now in market are Angular, React, and Amber.
Mhm.
Before that, there used to be Backbone, which I listed down the line.
Mhm.
It Backbone was very lightweight as compared to other frameworks. It just used to provide some kind of skeleton to you. So rest of the work was done used to be done by ourselves. Angular is a more of a full framework. If you start working with Angular, React, or Amber, then you don't need to do anything extra. You don't need to try to use any other library in it. It has everything in itself. Okay.
Mhm.
React React has come recently, hardly 2 years I can say. Angular is quite old now, around 4 5 years it has already in the market. Ember was pretty old that time. So that time it was a choice, 4 years, which framework you would like to use, Angular or Ember. That time Angular was not so popular, but because it has a backing of Google, so it has got more popularity. It has more development seeds, and this is how Angular evolved. It has the most widely used web MVC framework in JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so these are right now web MVC framework. You must have heard about Spring MVC, Struts, right?
Mm, I heard the technologies, but yeah.
Mhm. Earlier the technology used to be only on for the earlier JavaScript was not a desktop based processing. There was no support for JavaScript compilation on the desktop. Okay, so
Hmm.
initially there was no runtime available for JavaScript, and for that reason we were not having any backend in JavaScript. So there used to be Java, which gives us backend capability because it has a virtual machine JVM. Okay, which provides us to compile the code on desktop and deploy on the server, and the front end we used to be in JavaScript, and whenever a user requests, the JavaScript files used to be served to the user's browser. That used to happen that time. So recently what has happened, there's a around 2010 a Node.js server was developed. Okay, it's a virtual runtime machine similar to what you can say JVM, a bit more have more utility than just normal JVM. So because of that, JavaScript become more powerful. Now we can develop our backend in JavaScript itself. Okay,
Hmm.
so it used to be like the previous era. What I was telling. Suppose this is the user who's surfing our application, some Google.com. Just highlight using my form cursor. One second. How to, one second. I think it is activated only in Shift F. Control Shift F. Okay. Pointer option. Are you able to see my pointer, Ryan? Hello, Ashok? Ashok, you there? Hello? 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 Hello, Shivram?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, I don't know, something is happening. Yeah, I can continue.
I can- Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what I was uh, um, have you heard what I said about the previous era application and new era application?
Pardon? I did not get it.
Uh, have you was you able to follow till what speech you were able to follow? Like I explained earlier, also there is a previous era application which I mentioned here, right?
No, that conversation I lost.
Oh, okay, okay. What used to happen in earlier is that there used to be a JVM, Oracle JVM. Okay, so using Java, we used to develop our code over there itself, and we used to develop a backend there. And in JavaScript, we used to develop our front end. Okay,
Okay.
so using web server, we used to deploy that code, and whenever a user request, okay, those client side JavaScript were delivered to the user's browser, and he was able to see the effects on the website in a form of websites. Okay, which I explained here. Like, see, this is the suppose the user is surfing over here. JavaScript
Which screen you are
files was.
showing right now? What you are showing right now in your screen?
I'm trying to show that initially this is a client side MVC. What
No,
I'm
I'm
showing
seeing
here is that
only
the
MS Word. Save as.
MS Word you are able to. One
Save as.
second.
That's it. I don't know which screen you are showing right now. Yeah, now I can see.
You are able to see.
Again, I see the same thing.
Okay, one second. Now you are able to see.
Mm, your screen not shared.
I just shared right now.
Yeah, now I can see. Yep.
You can see now.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So you're able to see what written in here, right? There's a diagram over here, client side MVC, client plus server MVC, right? Yeah. So on the left side, the diagram is basically depicting what used to be the previous kind of application, a big enterprise application. Okay. On the right side is like a pure JavaScript based application. Even the backend is written in JavaScript and the client is also in JavaScript. Okay. The user is sitting in between, it requests client side JavaScripts and the backend in form of JavaScript serving, right? On the left side, it was used to previous, like you do your backend in Java,
Mm-hmm.
primarily in Java, is the most widely used language. Then there, you deploy your WAR file in a web server. Okay, when you deploy in web server, when I use your request, your JavaScript client is served to the client to the user's browser. So he do some actions over there, which are again recorded by your backend server, and it do the it respond according to the user's request. Right? It used to happen that way.
Mm-hmm.
So the difference between the previous one and now is that everything is now JavaScript. The advantage is that single developer can work both sides.
Mm-hmm.
He can work on both client development also, and he work on the backend development also. So the advantage is that you got cost effectiveness. First thing, the most important aspect was that you get a cost effectiveness in it. Whenever a user, whenever you want to develop with a single developer, you can do your whole development. For example, I can now work on a front end also, back end also. I don't need a separate Java guy or just separate JavaScript guy. Okay. Hello, Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, the second point that used to come is that speed of development has increased rapidly. Now I can develop. JavaScript is a very lenient, easy language. I can develop very fast in Ashok.
Yes.
I can JavaScript is very easy because it has very less construct as compared to now Java. Java at least you need 2 months first to learn Java, then you will start working in Java. In JavaScript, it's like in a day or two you are ready with JavaScript, and with small basic constructs you can easily start developing. So within a week you can develop a very good application.
Thank you for calling GoToMeeting. We are repairing unexpected system issues and are unable to process your call right now. Please hang up and try again. Code 2. Thank you for calling GoToMeeting. We are repairing unexpected system issues and are unable to process your call right now. Please hang up and try again. Code 2.
Sachin? Sachin?
Hello, hello, Sachin. Hello, hello, Sachin. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Hello, Sachin. Hello, Sachin. Hello, 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 Sachin. Hello.
one of the advantage main is that whenever you have any form binding, anything you change to a form on browser will reflect in your model, and any change in your model will reflect in your browser form.
Okay.
So this is what I defined it two-way data binding. Okay.
Good. Okay.
Okay. I do have one a small project also. I just show you. I will not explain much around it. It is also here I have form which has check and check, right? I have printed the output here also, the model output here. Okay. At the bottom of pin 3 is there, I am saying happy false, right? If I check it out, it flash changes to true, happy is equal to true, right? Are you able to see?
Yeah, I can see.
Similar, if I change to teen 1 and if I uncheck it, you will see something else also. So the value change happy to false, right?
Yep.
So this is the what you call data binding.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yep. Got it. Yep.
I think that's it for the day. We had enough.
Can you
for
show
the
the code for this?
Okay, the code for it. The second application I'm showing you right now. Okay. At the top, I have written two dependency, basically AngularJS scripts, right? Okay, it's basically pure HTML based. Okay,
Yep.
some HTML structs I have written it. Then they have added my ng controller here. See, at the top there is an ng app, which define what my Angular app is. From there it is
Yep.
reading. From here now Angular knows that this is the app that I need to take control of. Okay. This is a controller which basically map to your backend. Angular controller. I'm not talking the node controller, Angular controller. Okay. Then there is a table I have written. ng repeat. Basically, it's and what ng repeat do is it's iterate over our array. Okay. Added few classes using Angular, which basically red to green. That was doing the happy side, right? The moment I do a check, it used to do it used to turn to green. Okay. So then there is ng model there, which I have banded over here, right? ng model 0 teen.happy, right? So now my input is bind to some model which is called teen.happy. Okay.
Yep.
At the bottom in the pre tags, I'm writing my JSON output, which is basically my model output.
Okay.
I am writing my model output. So the moment anything changes in the model, is automatically updated over here.
Okay, got it. Okay.
This is just an printing. Okay. So this is just the basic code. And if you want to see what is in,
Can you open
this is just
the
my,
socket controller?
yeah, I have opened this. Here it is, Angular module. It depends, it defines my application, then what factory I'm using, the controller I'm using, and these two small constructs. I'll explain it properly when we will deal with Angular. But first of all, we start with Node, because first of all we need to start with Node application, then only we will go with Angular, because we will working on mean stack. Okay.
Yep.
Is it fine? How you find it today's session?
Yeah, it's good, man. I liked it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Only thing is I can graph very easily. With the code point of view, I can graph it very easily, because right now I'm doing in the Salesforce, you would have heard Lightning Design Systems, Lightning Framework. Have you heard that framework? It's advanced version of Angular.
Which one?
Lightning Framework. Open Google, I'll tell you. Google.com. This is that is advanced version of this Angular.
Okay. Lightning framework.
Yeah. Lightning. Yeah.
Let's check it. Salesforce.com.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is build same concept.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. So I think Lakshmi or Shiva will tell you about the next session now. Okay.
So what
I'm
time
not
is
a,
good for you for commenting?
this time is appropriate for me. You tell me according to you what time you want, because generally in the evening it is better. And
Let's go tomorrow. You know about US, right? We have a holiday season this 4 days. You know that, right? Tomorrow, day after
actually
tomorrow.
actually I'm not available from 25th to 27th. Okay, I have to go. I have some plan. I'm going out of town.
One
So
second, let me see 25th to 27th, which is good, man. Let's connect. So can we do one thing? From 28th, we'll continue daily from 28th.
okay, because Monday I'll be coming back early morning around 10 o'clock. So that day we will not able to attend the.
No, so let's do from 29th then.
Yeah, that will be great.
Shiva,
Thanks.
హలో
Shiva, ఇది ఈ 4 days
చెప్పండి.
మాకు ట్యాంక్ చెప్పాను. ఈ 4 days మాకు ట్యాంక్ గేమింగ్ వీక్ తెలుసు కదా, 4 days హాలిడేస్ అని.
ఆ,
సో ఈ అబ్బాయి కూడా ఏదో ఊరికి వెళ్తున్నా అంట 24th 25th 26th. క్లాస్ అంతా బాగానే ఉంది. 29th నుంచి కంటిన్యూగా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం, ఇంకా నో బ్రేక్.
29th నుంచి ఓకే. ఒకసారి మీటింగ్ లో ఉండండి, మీరు అశోక్ గారు మీటింగ్ లో ఉండండి.
యా,
సచిన్ యూ క్యాన్ లీవ్ ద మీటింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సచిన్.
Okay, thank you.
చెప్పు.
మీరు అక్కడ రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టారు కదా?
రికార్డింగ్ నాకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది విన్నా, రికార్డింగ్ వార్నింగ్ గో టు మీటింగ్ అని చెప్పి విన్నా.
మాకు అసలు ఇప్పుడు దాకా వాయిస్ రాలేదండి. మీ మీటింగ్ ఏం జరిగిందో కూడా తెలియదు మాకు.
నేను అక్కడే ఫోన్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యా. నా సిస్టమ్ లో ఎప్పుడు వాయిస్ కట్ అవుతా ఉంటే
లేదు, మీ ఒక్క మీటింగ్ రాలేదు మాకు, మిగతా వచ్చినాయి. అదేంటో అర్థం కావట్లేదు నాకు.
ఏంటిది?
మీ ఒక్క మీటింగే మీ ఇద్దరు వాయిస్ రాలేదు, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. మిగతా అన్ని పని చేస్తున్నాయి.
నేను డైలింగ్ చేసేసి నేను ఇప్పుడు గోటి మీటింగ్ లో లేను చూడు. గోటి మీటింగ్ లో మ్యూట్ లో ఉంటాను చూడు. నేను ఫోన్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నా.
అది ఉంది, చూశాను. ఫస్ట్ లో 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడారు, తర్వాత నుంచి ఇద్దరు వాయిస్ లేదు.
నాకు లేదు, కట్ అవుతా ఉంది. అంటే ఇంకా డైలింగ్ చేసే ఫోన్ నుంచి.
ఒకసారి రికార్డ్ అయితే అది నాకు అప్లోడ్ చేసి పంపించండి కొంచెం.
రికార్డ్ అవ్వలేదు, ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది నాకు కూడా. రికార్డింగ్ సెషన్ నాట్ రికార్డ్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది నాకు కూడా. రికార్డ్ అవ్వలేదు మొత్తం. అదే ప్రాబ్లం. నాకు ఇన్నో ఎర్రర్ వస్తూనే ఉంది. పాప స్క్రీన్ వార్నింగ్ మెసేజ్ వస్తూనే ఉంది ఇన్నో కంటిన్యూగా ల్యాప్టాప్.
ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఒకసారి ప్లే చేసి చూడండి, అయితే చూద్దాం.
యా, బాగుంది, బాగానే చెప్తున్నాడు ఈ అబ్బాయి. కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి అదే ఆయన ఫ్లో. అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ కాకుండా ఆయన లాంగ్వేజ్ చెప్పుకుంటే బాగా చెప్తాడు అంతే. ఆయన హిందీ అబ్బాయా ఏమన్నా?
హిందీ హిందీ హిందీ
చాలా హిందీ నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పే విధంగా చెప్తున్నాడు. బాగానే చెప్తున్నావు శివ. ఎంత ఎంత ఇవ్వాలి నీకు ఇది?
చెప్తాను, మాట్లాడి ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడి మీకు చెప్తా.
నువ్వు క్యూజన్ నుంచి కంటిన్యూ చేయి. ఈ క్యూజన్ నుంచి ఇంకా కంపల్సరీ సేమ్ టైం 9:30కి పెట్టు మా టైం. ఓకే
ఓకే ఓకే
9:30కి పెట్టేసి నేను అంత బాగానే ఉంది. ఓకే, కంటిన్యూ చేసేది క్లాస్.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే, నేను మీకు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ.
లేకపోతే రేపు పొద్దున్న చెప్పమని నేను చేస్తాను మా టైం.
చేయండి ఒకసారి.
సో నువ్వు అబ్బాయితో మాట్లాడి క్యూజన్ నుంచి సెట్ చేసే 9:30కి. ఓకేనా? రేపు ఈ 4 రోజులు వద్దు, ఈ రేపు నుంచి వద్దు, ఇంకా సెలవులు ఉన్నాయి. నేను బయట తిరుగుతూ ఉంటా. ఓకే,
ఓకే
మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ట్యూస్డే.
ఓకే.